When a forklift goes down, work doesn't wait. Industrial Purchasing Group offers forklift repair, service, rentals, sales, and industrial equipment support. Forklifts are not showroom pieces. They are subject to heavy use, leading to wear and tear like leaks, soft brakes, battery issues, and engine trouble. That is industrial life. A dead machine leads to a cascading cost, idle crews, bottleneck production, and blind repairs. Every hour of downtime costs money. A bad repair costs even more. The 4 pillars of uptime include repair first, preventive maintenance, rentals, and used equipment sales. We offer straight answers and solid service. The Downtime Defense Matrix shows how our services address various situations, from unexpected breakdowns to permanent capacity expansion. Pillar 1. Repair first. Replace only when it makes sense. We prioritize finding the actual issue, explaining the problem, and fixing only what is needed. Do not turn every repair into a parts-changing contest. The IPG pathway provides clear diagnostics, isolates the true issue, offers practical repair recommendations, and fixes only what needs fixing. This results in equipment back in service quickly with predictable costs. Pillar 2. Preventative maintenance that saves headaches. Servicing a machine before it fails is disciplined, leading to fewer breakdowns, longer equipment life, predictable costs, and improved safety. Our inspection includes checks on the cab and controls, engine and battery bay, mast and forks, wheels, and chassis to ensure thorough maintenance and safety. Pillar 3. Rentals when you need backup. Rentals are ideal for temporary production increases, seasonal demands, equipment breakdowns, or short-term job site support. The IPG rental bridge keeps work moving when equipment is unavailable. Flexible rental options ensure zero drops in production line capacity during repair time. Pillar 1V. Used equipment sales and sourcing. A solid used forklift is a smart investment. The IPG standard means used equipment is inspected, serviced, and honestly represented before sale. Practical used equipment options provide dependable lift capacity without the cost of buying new. Practicality beats showroom shine, saving capital. We offer total fleet service support for LP gas, diesel, and electric forklifts, hand and electric pallet jacks, scissor lifts, man lifts, batteries, and chargers. The 5th element, parts and purchasing support. A repair is only as good as the parts behind it. We handle sourcing to reduce hassle so you can focus on operation. The uptime ecosystem includes repair, maintenance, rentals, and sales, all working together to minimize downtime and keep the industrial world moving. We are built for real industrial operations with honest diagnostics, no runaround in estimates, and a total fleet focus to service equipment that does real work. Equipment has a job to do, and so do we. We repair, maintain, rent, and source. Visit industrialpurchasinggroup.com to request service today and keep moving.